Okay, well, Dylan is better. He had broken neck, a broken back, and broken legs. So he's all better now after 5 years of recovery. And here he comes now, so let's give it up for Dylan. Wait, what's going on in there? Yeah, let's give it up for Dylan. Yeah.
Full speed.
Yeah. Well, that's Dylan there. How about it now?
Oh, wait. Look at that.
What? Oh, wait. That?
Yeah, that.
Yeah, dude, I
Oh
see
my
that.
God.
I see that.
Is that the car from 6
Dude,
years?
that's... Dude,
Is that the car we blew up?
Dude.
That's the car we blew up. Turn around. Get the camera. You might want to film this.
Holy crap! Holy crap, come on!
Count down.
Come on!
Give me the camera.
Okay, come on.
All right.
Dude,
We have just found out.
holy crap!
That car. There it is. Oh my God. It has come back. The car that we blew up 6 years ago is, it's coming back down for revenge. Oh, it's gonna kill us.
Oh crap.
Oh my God,
This
dude.
is bad.
Oh my God.
This is so bad. Dude, holy crap!